Hi everyone, I'm Marcus from Beijing, a sophomore of high school, and in this video, I'll present about me and my Hweek life. Let's start by a brief introduction about my passion. Since I was very young, I'm curious about knowing how the world works, developing my interest from geography to physics, and now economics. Economics as social science interprets the world, especially concerning society with human beings, and this grabs my curiosity because it is closely related to everyday life for everyone. Sometimes I just couldn't stop from thinking about economic theories in real life that I started to search for information when I was taking trips on aircraft and walking in the Harvard Yard, and from writing essays addressing the effect of tax policies and to construct a full plan of an app that can address the healthcare resource allocations in Beijing. I became faster and faster as a learner in economics. My interest drives me forward as I plan to spend more time in doing research in economics with an intersection with history besides school study in my high school. And this general curiosity in understanding the world brought me to Hweek, my first abroad experience. And I was surrounded by the novelty of the city when I stepped on the path of the Harvard Yard and saw the majestic trees that brought the sense of history to me. And the Georgian, Gothic, and neoclassical architectures felt like fantasy to me, and the unrealistic feeling of entering a Harvard building for a lecture made me feel even more stunning. There, I explored my interest in economics and other fields, and I gained the true feeling of studying at one of the best universities in the planet. And specifically, the econometrics lecture really helped me to learn more about the objectives that this unfamiliar branch of economics is doing, and the game theory lecture, which summarized the motivated reasoning and explained it to students like me. These fascinating lectures, together with the liberal arts educations like happiness philosophy and also government, which I took in Hweek, made me feel that this is a place that I want and need to be into to study economics and pursue my interest. Besides the campus study, the most important thing is the connection with our best HSLs and mentors, also part of my passion. By establishing relationships and network with them, we generated exchange on all different kinds of stories and cultures, but more importantly, the share of happy emotions and friendship. That keeps me on the road, and that is all about me, my passion, and my Hweek experiences. Thank you all.